My name is Ross Schreiter. I am a divorce and family law attorney here at Genesis Legal Group. I have two boys. They're grown. One's in college and finishing up this year, and another one has already started his career. I grew up in Chicago, was born and raised. I went to school in Chicago and found my way here to Arizona. I like to play golf, but the game doesn't really like me that much. Still in pursuit of a par game, and hiking. I hike all over the place. I went to the University of Illinois in Chicago for undergrad. I received a Bachelor of Arts in Criminal Justice and Political Science, and I went to law school at John Marshall Law School in Chicago and graduated in 1991. I think I became a lawyer because not only did my dad always tell me that I was going to be a lawyer, because I liked to argue a lot, but when he passed away, there was a significant question about whether medical malpractice had occurred. And as I grew up, it's always been something that was on my mind, and I felt like I was going to help people in that situation and not allow people to be taken advantage of. So I thought when I went to law school that I was going to become a PI attorney, but life had other plans for me, and now I find myself helping people, but in a different way. What I like most about being a family law attorney is helping families, and particularly the children. When mom or dad comes to me and says, I've got this particular problem, I view it as the client is not just the person sitting across the table from me, it's also the other children that aren't in the room. So I feel compelled to make their life better too, because it's no secret that children from a broken family don't do as well academically, socially, in every aspect of life, and so I feel compelled to try to make that as be all they can be in their life. Having been an attorney for roughly 30 years or plus, I've had the benefit of working in a number of different areas of law, so my background is varied. I feel like I've got a pretty good comprehensive background in a lot of different areas of law, which can all impact the divorce case. I think one of the things that I enjoy most about being an attorney is at the end of a case, I've had clients invite me to their Thanksgiving meal because they were so thankful that I was able to help not just them, but their children live a good life after a divorce case, because they're often so emotional. So it brings me a lot of pleasure when people view me as not just their attorney, but as a friend. One of the hallmarks of the way that I practice is providing a superior level of client satisfaction. And that doesn't mean necessarily winning the case. It means being in constant communication with the client, giving them direction, always being available for their questions, responding to them the same day that they text or phone or email me. I respond the same day. If there's ever a problem, if you feel like you're not getting the experience that I promised, all you got to do is call me up and call me out, and I'll make it right for you.